emailing. Having a good customer email list and potential customer list is, dare I say, getting critical today. There are many facets to emailing, and let me give you some of those areas. I have one customer that was spending $1,000 a month on stamps and now has over 85% of the customers being emailed their invoice. So what it's done is reduced his stamps to like $50 a month. It's also, because they're emailing an invoice, a statement with a link to pay their bill, they're getting their money up to 3 weeks before they used to get it. It's because people, if they get mailed a bill in the mail, it just sits on their desk, and maybe once a month they pay all their bills, or twice a month. But you've got that huge delay in there. Emailing customers about potential products, new products, sales. It's an inexpensive way to get your customers out, information out to all your customers. But because it is inexpensive, there has been a lot of abuse. People getting emails every hour, getting 200 emails a day. So you want to be careful. You want to get it opt-in. You want to get them permission to send you emails. There's some software that you send emails with, and you can get your account suspended if only 1% of your emails go to spam. So it's pretty critical that you get that contact in. I've got a lot of experience with sending cold emails. So if you really are interested in doing that, give me a call and I will tell you about the do and do nots. One other area that you may want to use emailing in is the popular birthday club. Everybody probably remembers that you used to go out to your restaurant on your birthday and you tell them it's your birthday and then a cake magically appears and all that. But one way to stay in touch with your customers is send them a cute discount coupon on their birthday. Happy birthday. Here's 10% off, come see us, or, anything like that. It's just another way of staying and communicating with your customers.